What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's RealTouchGML here, back with another 2D Minecraft tutorial, and this is going to be our 8th part in this series. Pretty excited, so let's hop right into it. So today what we're going to be doing is just fixing a couple glitches, and these are the lighting glitches and the spawning glitches. Alright, so as you can see, if I go ahead and run it now, first off, the trees spawn on water, which we don't really want, and there's this black lighting block inside the middle of the tree. And as you can see, if some trees get fused together because they're close, it makes this whole thing, and it just doesn't look good. So we're going to be fixing that today. Also, we're also going to be fixing the water because we don't. Here, if I can go and find a good one here. Here we go. We want to see underneath the water. And right now that's not able to happen. And I mean, right here, usually the water's deeper, but usually we want to be able to see into the water, not have it all black like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do for this is we are going to create another object. I'm actually going to just duplicate this object here and cut out the draw event. And in the create event, yeah, we can cut out the create event as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this object ghost block. And basically the ghost block is not going to be affected by light. So we're going to change everything that we don't want to be affected by light. We're going to change their parent to the ghost block. So I'm going to change the leaf to ghost block. I'm going to change the tree to ghost block. I'm going to change the water, most importantly, to ghost block. There we go. Now right off the bat, if we go ahead and run it now, as you can see, we no longer have the black lighting in the tree. Although we get the water like this and it gets super laggy, and I'm just gonna exit that out before it destroys my computer. But anyways, so this is because if we go into alarm 0 here with the water physics, it's still checking for block. And since it's a parent to ghost block, we need to also add in our ghost block. So in here, I'm just gonna say the double you can do this or you can do and. It doesn't really matter, but you could say and place meeting x minus 16 comma y comma object ghost block. There we go. So now you copy this. Actually, you know what we can do? We can just copy this right here. Copy that, place down the and sign, and instead of object ghost block, just copy that down and say the ghost block there, and then copy that, paste it down. So now that we have this, it's checking for all of the blocks in the game. So if we go ahead and run it now, and actually one more thing we need to do, actually I'm going to terminate that. In our dynamic, we're just going to duplicate this collision event with our ghost block as well, because we want to still have collision with the tree and all of that fun stuff. Alright. So now if we go ahead and run it, everything's cool, and now we can actually see underneath the water. And we get an error if we try to click it. That is because in our ghost block, our left press, we are still using the variable viz because we duplicated the object, and it's showing viz is a lighting variable that we set up in the previous tutorial. Now if we go and run it again. So actually, before I run it, I forgot one last thing, and that is in our render script. Since we have a new block type, we're gonna have to also incorporate that into the render script. So ghost block, just like that. So now it's gonna deactivate the ghost blocks and all that fun stuff. Alright. Here we have the trees, and now we can delete the trees, and there's no lighting that really weird lighting thing. But all of the lighting still works if you start going underground, and then some. So here we go. We got this weird tree that's kind of fused together. And now we can see underneath, we can see into the water now. So it's kind of like this cool little puddle or lake that we have created. Alright, so that's going to be it for today. Go and leave a like, go and subscribe. Holy tallness. Let's try and make our way up here. And we will harvest the tree. So this is all fun stuff that we're going to be doing in future tutorials. So go and subscribe. Let's try for 80 likes this time. I hope we can get there, and I will, of course, see you guys next time. Alright, peace.